Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook. So for this you have to go first on your Outlook, then take a new email box. You have to type your email to whom you wanna send this. So I'll choose my family group, then send subject. I'll write your family member, whatever. I'm just writing here. Then go for mail body here. Hello, and how are you? Okay. Now, when you are done with this, then go for file, uh, go for save as, and you can see family member here. Okay, uh, then go for Outlook message format, and you can see Outlook template here. You have to choose it and you can save it anywhere. I'll choose desktop and save. So okay, then close it, go for no. So you can see this is my template, email template here. Then if you double click on it, so you can see it's ready to send. So guys, this is how you can create email templates in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.